So I carved my jack-o'-lanterns this morning.
did?
They're out on the front porch, and I'm probably going to get some frost on them tonight, maybe even some snow tomorrow.
That's unfortunate, but we're here with Chief Meteorologist George Lessons. All right, what can we expect for Halloween? That might be a little chilly.
No change to the forecast from last week, guys. Yeah, we're still calling for snow here tomorrow. We saw a preview of that in a couple of spots today with just some snow flakes. Definitely cold. I've got my winter hat and coat and mittens on and gloves here this evening, and you'll need to do the same tomorrow. 13 weather ball is a blue, much colder weather in view continuing.
The 13 Weather Ball is sponsored by LaFontaine Lincoln Grand Rapids.
Around the area, we've had some sunshine this afternoon, mostly cloudy skies for the most part after those morning rain and snow showers changed to a few flurries. Right now, we have got mostly lake effect cloud cover, but there's another system diving down out of Canada. This is a pretty powerful one. You can kind of see it right in through here. That's going to be our weather maker starting very late tonight and tomorrow morning. That storm is going to be taking a track right over lower Michigan and then off to the northeast. So this will be a quick hitting one. The timing is everything. And of course, it's coming at the wrong time. We'll see snow throughout the morning and then ending after trick-or-treat time tomorrow evening. Temperatures are expected to be as cold as they are right now, mainly in the 30s. Watch this system dive down to the south. This is 7 o'clock tomorrow morning. A couple of flurries, might be a slick spot in a couple of spots for your morning commute. Keep an eye out for that, but certainly some slick spots from time to time during the afternoon and for your lunch hour tomorrow. And then the snow showers will start to wind down as trick-or-treating comes to an end, and then skies clear. Yeah, bad timing. And then we'll start the day with some sunshine on Wednesday, some high clouds coming in later on in the day, but we'll call it partly sunny, at least better than tomorrow will be. As we get toward the weekend, we will see perhaps some rain starting on Sunday. In terms of snowfall, here's where the path of the snow is going to be falling, heading right towards southwest lower Michigan. We could see a half an inch of melting snow here in Grand Rapids. Some areas west and northwest of Grand Rapids could see enough to accumulate on the grassy areas. Yeah, it is not going to be a nice Halloween. Long range outlook says the cool weather will be restrained to the upper peninsula and northern New England, while much of the rest of the country from the 5th through the 9th experiences high chances for warmer temperatures, but a northern tier of states, a high chance that we'll see more precipitation during that 5-day period, which might include more snow. We'll show that in a 10-day in a moment. Late tonight, a couple of flurries developing as skies become mostly cloudy. A mid and upper 20s northern part of the lakeshore zone, 32 or a little bit colder from Muskegon southward. Northern zones down below freezing, so this is the spots where you could see some icy spots tomorrow morning, especially if you get underneath one of those morning snow showers. And here in the greater Grand Rapids area, late tonight there could be a couple of flurries developing, especially from Grand Rapids northward. Overnight lows below freezing in the upper 20s. 13 on your side forecast. After tomorrow's scary weather, we'll see improving weather Wednesday through at least most of Friday. A little bit of light rain late Friday into Friday night, lasting into Saturday morning. It's just a very small chance as we hit the low 50s. Sunday, we see some rain to returning in the afternoon, lasting through Monday. And depending on which model we look at, we could see perhaps some significant snow on Monday night and Tuesday next week as we highlight that for Election Day, followed by some dry and cool weather.
Well, you know what, George? I am ready for snow, except I'm not. I just have my coat on the hanger ready to go, but I wish we could hold out a little longer.
Yeah, but George, you're prepared because you have your winter coat and your gloves on in addition to your hat right now.
Yeah, if you're more than just running from the car into your house or something, you could probably get away with a fall jacket, but you spend any time outdoors because wind chills are in the 30s, yeah.
Oh boy.
Definitely a winter coat. And you're going to need it again here tomorrow, and maybe a snow brush in a couple of spots. 13 weather ball is blue, even colder weather in view for your Halloween last day of October, and it's also blinking bright. Yeah, tomorrow we have some snow in sight.
The 13 Weather Ball is sponsored by LaFontaine Lincoln Grand Rapids.
No matter the weather, you have to walk the dog. This is Bella, all dressed up for Halloween. Stacy, I'm going to give you the green paw for all the time periods here tonight and tomorrow morning, despite a couple of snow showers around 8 o'clock. That will change, of course, as the day goes on, probably to a yellow or a red. Solar energy today, 5.2, thanks to a little bit of early afternoon sunshine. Tomorrow, not quite as much, 4.7. Won't be overcast all day, but certainly early afternoon, some snow. And the wind is not going to be a problem here tomorrow. It should not be anywhere near as breezy as it was during the day today. Clouds and the snow showers this morning cleared on out. We've got just some lake effect clouds right now. Back to the north and west, pretty potent system diving down out of North Dakota, and that's going to take a storm track right over Grand Rapids tomorrow. And we're going to be on the cold side of this. It's going to bring a lot of snow to our area. Tonight, we're looking at mainly cloudy skies, a couple of flurries to start your day. So if you're north of Grand Rapids, there might be a slick spot in the morning. Here comes that powerful system coming through, lake effect and lake enhanced snow showers throughout the late morning into the late afternoon. May get a little bit of it winding down during the trick-or-treat time, but there'll be snow on the grassy areas in some spots, and then skies clear on out. Yeah, bad timing. Could come any other time, but it's coming during trick-or-treat time. As we go into Wednesday, sunshine to start today, just a few clouds around the middle of the day, and fairly quiet weather the rest of the week and here on Thursday. In terms of snowfall, here it comes. There's the track from Minneapolis to La Crosse to Madison to Milwaukee, right into southwest lower Michigan. Some of this will be enhanced by Lake Michigan. Here in Grand Rapids, we could see half an inch of snow, but some areas could see quite a bit on the grassy areas. Looking farther ahead from November 7th through the 13th, we're right on the edge of high chances for cool temperatures with warm weather expected out west, and will at least lower our chances for precipitation during that 1 week period. For tonight, maybe a few flurries late tonight, below freezing just about everywhere, upper 20s north, low 30s south. Down below freezing up north, so watch out for a slick spot here tomorrow morning. Overnight lows mid and upper 20s here in the greater Grand Rapids area. A late night snow flurry, most of the snow showers I think from Grand Rapids north, overnight lows below freezing. 13 on your side forecast. 40 on Wednesday, first day of November, mid-40s Thursday, and then 50 on Friday. All three of those days will be dry. Some rain Friday evening for a brief time into Saturday morning, but most areas will not see any precipitation. A dry Sunday morning, but afternoon, some rain moving in through Monday, and then it changes to snow Monday night. And right now, there could be significant snow the following Tuesday. That's why we've highlighted that with possible impacts on Election Day.
We have been talking about this Halloween forecast now for more than a week, and it's just hasn't improved very much.
Hasn't improved very much. Yeah, definitely going to have to modify the Halloween costumes tomorrow. Chief Meteorologist George Lesson's outside on the weather deck. George, it's going to be cold.
Yeah, definitely have had a week to prepare since we've had snow in the forecast for the last week, and that really hasn't changed. We wish it would, but that would be called wish casting. 13 weather ball tonight is blue, even colder weather in view compared to today, and it's also blinking bright. We have those snow showers in sight.
The 13 Weather Ball is sponsored by LaFontaine Lincoln Grand Rapids.
Let's see how we did today. Our temperatures climbed into the low 40s with a little sneak at some afternoon sunshine. We forecast a 39, within our target range. We've done that 6 days in a row, hopefully to continue that tomorrow. Trick-or-treat forecast starting at 5 o'clock, 36 degrees. It'll feel like 31. Snow showers throughout the early afternoon into the early evening, and then skies will clear after 10 o'clock, dropping down to around or below freezing. How about some Halloween weather history? The coldest in the morning was 1988. One of the coldest in the afternoon was in 1917 when we had 1.5 inches of snow out at the airport. We could be rivaling that here this year. Last year we were at least 59 degrees. That storm system is up over North Dakota right now, and that's going to take a track right down over lower Michigan here during the day tomorrow. We'll see some snow showers in the mid to late morning, and then that will continue into the early evening. Just lake effect clouds right now across the area. Late tonight there could be some light to snow showers developing, especially north of Grand Rapids, but this is 7 o'clock tomorrow morning. Watch that snow come in. This is at 1 p.m. A lot of heavy snow, especially at the lakeshore. Maybe some raindrops right at the lakeshore. You'll have a little bit of accumulation there, and then that just kind of pivots through. This is 7 o'clock tomorrow evening. Snow showers will be winding down. There might be snow on the grassy areas and some accumulation along the lakeshore, and then as if the sun goes down, trick-or-treating is over, skies clear, and then on a Wednesday we'll see intervals of clouds and sunshine, but that'll be too late for the trick-or-treaters. In terms of snowfall, nothing going on at the present time. Nothing going on here late tonight other than a couple of flakes of snow off to the north. Here comes the snow tomorrow. This is at 1 o'clock in the afternoon. Not much here in Grand Rapids, perhaps 1 inch already in Fremont, maybe a little bit more, and then it just piles up here in northern Ottawa County, portions of Muskegon, Newaygo and Oceana counties. Yeah, there's going to be snow for your trick-or-treaters. This is 7 o'clock tomorrow evening. Then after that, the snow is done because the skies will be clearing. So yeah, bad timing for the trick-or-treaters. Forecast then for tomorrow, look for heavy snow at times with pockets of sunshine. Temperatures around 40 to the low 40s. That means some of the snow here will be melting, but I think the rate of snow will outweigh the chance for it to melt. So I think it will accumulate, especially on the grassy areas. Up north, mid and upper 30s, there's a better chance for the snow to accumulate before it melts. And here in the greater Grand Rapids area, we'll be in the upper 30s with some lighter snow compared to the north and west. 13 on your side forecast. Sunshine to start the month of November. Midday clouds back to clearing skies. Only 40 though on Wednesday. 46 and partly cloudy Thursday. And Friday will be dry until late in the day. A couple of light showers Friday evening through Saturday morning, and we'll hit 52 on Saturday. Time change on Sunday. Afternoon rain moves in on Monday as well. Upper 40s. And then models are indicating there could be some significant snow Monday night next to Tuesday. So that's why I've highlighted Election Day with that orange bar there, and then dry weather to follow after that.